Jim Brown with ProjectLocker, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate ProjectLocker with Basecamp. Using the Basecamp integration, you can tie your Subversion commits and Git pushes to Basecamp where they'll show up as Basecamp messages. In order to do this, first we log into the ProjectLocker portal at portal.projectlocker.com. So I log in as my user. Then, once I'm logged in, I go to my profile in the upper right. I click Integration Settings, and I see I'm not currently connected, so I click the Connect ProjectLocker to Basecamp button. Now, since I'm not signed in to 37 Signals, I have to sign in there as well with my 37 Signals identity. Then I'm presented with a dialog just telling me that I'm integrating my Basecamp with ProjectLocker and making sure that that's okay. So once that's done, I can see all the accounts associated with my identity. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. I can do Basecamp Classic or Basecamp New. So I pick this and I hit Set Account. And that saves the Basecamp settings so that my projects will look at projects in this ProjectLocker account. Once I've done that, I can then go to Projects, and I'll go to my Basecamp demo project. I click the Basecamp project settings link on the left, and I can see my projects from Basecamp displayed here. I want to integrate the new test project. So I hit Link ProjectLocker Project, and now it's connected, and the projects will show us connected. The final thing that I want to do is make sure that my notifications are in place. So I click My Project Notifications. I go to the notifications for this project. I can see I don't have any notifications turned on, so I want to receive emails when I get a commit. I don't have a Jabber or Twitter ID set yet. I see my Basecamp account is linked, so I want to link that as well. This will ensure that when I make a commit, it will push to Basecamp. So now I'm all set. I'm linked in with Basecamp. The next thing I want to do is actually do a commit. So I already have a project ready here. As you can see, it's a ProjectLocker project that I've just checked out. I'm going to edit a file. Just make a trivial edit. And then I do a commit as I normally would. And what should happen shortly is in a few moments I should see that in Basecamp. So when I go log in to the Basecamp side, I can see, I'll go to my ProjectLocker, I go to my new test, and sure enough, here's the commit that I just did. Here's a notification. If I click on here and look at the details, I can see what project it came from in ProjectLocker. I can see that's a ProjectLocker Subversion commit. Here's the revision number. If this were Git, that would be a UUID. I can see who did it. I can see the notes on it, and I even have a link to the track chain set. So that's it. Once you do those steps, you're fully linked in. You can commit and you can push, and those changes will show up in Basecamp.